You're listening to an African Elements top news story for June 25th, 2025. Please visit our website at africanelements.org for more daily news. NC Trooper firing. A breach of trust and accountability. Two North Carolina state troopers, Sergeant Matthew Morrison and Trooper Garrett Macario, were terminated from their positions on June 16, 2025. Their dismissal came after authorities determined they had lied and mishandled an investigation into a deadly crash that resulted in the death of Tyrone Mason. This serious action by the North Carolina State Highway Patrol underscores the critical importance of truthfulness and integrity within law enforcement agencies. The troopers had been placed on administrative leave since January 2025, following the emergence of discrepancies in the investigation surrounding Tyrone Mason's death. Administrative leave means that the troopers were temporarily removed from their duties with pay while the investigation proceeded. This standard practice allows for an impartial review of serious allegations without the officers actively performing their duties. Tyrone Mason, a 31-year-old black driver, tragically died on October 7, 2024, when his 2018 Chevrolet Malibu crashed into a concrete barrier. The core of the misconduct centered on Trooper Macario's failure to disclose a critical detail. He had been chasing Mason just before the fatal crash. When local law enforcement arrived at the scene, Macario, who had called in the crash, omitted this crucial information. He initially confided only in his supervisor, Sergeant Morrison, about the pursuit. According to a North Carolina State Bureau of Investigation report, Macario had given up the chase shortly before Mason lost control of his vehicle. Subsequently, Sergeant Morrison advised Macario to deny any involvement in the incident. Instead, Morrison instructed Macario to claim he had simply rolled up on the wreck. In law enforcement terms, to roll up on a wreck means to arrive at the scene without having been directly involved in the events leading to it. This instruction was a deliberate attempt to fabricate a false narrative, distancing Macario from any responsibility for the crash. Body camera footage later revealed Macario lying to Raleigh police officers about pursuing Tyrone Mason, directly contradicting his false statements. The truth began to surface when Wake County District Attorney Lauren Freeman initiated an investigation into the matter in December 2024. A crucial element in her investigation was the review of dashcam and bodycam footage. These recordings are vital tools in modern policing, serving to document interactions, ensure accountability, and provide objective evidence in investigations. In this particular case, the footage proved instrumental in exposing the troopers' deception and misconduct, leading to significant consequences. Upon reviewing the extensive footage, District Attorney Freeman concluded that the troopers had indeed lied to local police and had violated North Carolina State Highway Patrol standards. While the specific NCSHP standards are not detailed, the actions of Trooper Macario and Sergeant Morrison, which included lying about involvement in a pursuit and failing to render aid, represent severe misconduct. Such actions fundamentally violate core law enforcement standards related to honesty, integrity, and the duty to assist citizens in distress. Copyright African Elements.